Hi, I'm Sarah from reviewsbysarah.com.
Hi, I'm her mom Donna from Naztazia. My daughter and I have been watching the Winter Games on TV.
And we saw some really cute hats that we wanted to make. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the loom knitted hat.
And on my channel, you can find the crochet version.
I'm using 2 skeins of Lion Brand's Hometown yarn and a 9-inch bulky weight round loom that has 36 pegs. You can use different size looms for a smaller or larger hat. Look for the anchor peg. We need to mark every other peg because we'll be doing a different stitch on them. Mark the peg next to the anchor peg. Then skip one. Mark the next peg. Skip one. Mark the next peg. If you have any small rubber bands left over from your bracelet looms, you can use those. Tie a small knot on the anchor peg to hold the yarn in place. We're going to first wrap the starting peg like this. Then move over to the next peg, and the next peg, and the next peg. Keep going around the entire loom. Once you've reached the starting peg again, wrap it like this. With your hook, grab the bottom loop and lift it over the top loop like this. That's the kind of stitch we'll be doing on the plain pegs. On all marked pegs, we'll be doing a different stitch. Place your yarn in the front like this. Insert your hook into the loop like this. Place your yarn across the bottom and scoop it upwards like this. Grab the loop, take it off the peg, and then put the top loop back on the peg like this. Now wrap the plain peg like this again. Scoop that bottom loop over the top loop. On this marked peg, bring the yarn forward. Insert your hook, move the yarn, and scoop it up. Take it off and place the new loop on the peg. Continue doing this pattern around the loom. When you get to the first peg again, follow the same process as before. Mark pegs do the other stitch. Continue going around the loom for a total of 32 times. After a few rounds, be sure to remove your yarn from that anchor peg, otherwise it will prevent your work from moving downwards. If you need to connect a new yarn, just tie a knot like this. You'll weave this into the inside of the hat later where no one will see it. Once you complete your 32 rounds, cut your yarn about 24 inches from where you left off. You'll use this long tail end to gather the top of the hat. Thread this yarn through a yarn needle. Carefully insert your needle through each one of the loops. Pull the loop off and pull all of the yarn through. Do the same thing to the next peg. Insert your needle, pull the loop off, and pull all the yarn through. Repeat for the next peg as well, and the next one too. Keep going around the loom until all of the loops are off of the peg. And here's my last loop. Now take your yarn end and pull it tightly to gather and close the hole on top. Use the extra yarn and make some stitches to really close up that hole. Then push your needle through the hat towards the inside. You can weave in a few more stitches if you want, and then cut the yarn. To make a pom-pom, cut about 15 inches of yarn and put it to the side. Take a book or something about 9 or 10 inches wide and wrap the yarn around it about 30 times. Take the yarn off and use your first strand to tie a good knot in the middle of it. Cut your loops like this. Use your yarn needle and thread one of the strings you used around the center of the pom-pom. Push it through the top and into the inside of the hat. Repeat for the other strand. Tie a knot inside the hat to secure the pom-pom. You can purchase labels or patches that you can sew onto your hat. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel
And like and comment on this video.
and please visit reviewsbysarah.com.